This isn't just a 1969 Corvette Stingray. This is America's V8 legend reborn in pure cinematic muscle. The lights fade in slowly. A deep metallic glow reflects across polished concrete floors. Silence fills the room for just a second, and then a thunderous American V8 erupts to life. The 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, long hood, aggressivum curves, muscular fenders, and a stance so iconic it still stops people in their tracks over half a century later. This isn't just a classic car. This is rolling American history. Back in 1969, the world was changing fast. Muscle cars ruled the streets, horsepower wars were exploding, and Chevrolet answered with something unforgettable: the C3 Corvette Stingray. Inspired by the radical Mako Shark concept car, the 1969 Stingray looked like nothing else on the road. It was low, wide, futuristic, and dangerously beautiful. Even today, this design still feels alive. The hidden headlights, the sculpted body lines, the shark-inspired front end, every angle feels dramatic, cinematic, and powerful. And when this machine arrives, people notice. This car doesn't need attention, it commands it. Now imagine opening the driver's door. You step into a cockpit built for pure driving emotion. Classic analog gauges glow softly behind the steering wheel. Chrome accents shimmer under ambient light. The long hood stretches endlessly ahead of you like a runway. This isn't modern luxury, this is raw mechanical theater. No giant screens, no fake engine sounds, no distractions. Just driver, machine, and power. And speaking of power, the 1969 Corvette Stingray came with multiple V8 options, but the true legends were the monstrous 427 cubic inch big block engines, massive torque, brutal acceleration, and a sound so deep it shakes the air itself. The moment you press the throttle, the rear tires fight for grip, the nose lifts slightly, and the Stingray launches forward with violent American energy. This was the golden era of horsepower, back when cars weren't built to be quiet. They were built to make statements. The exhaust note echoes through tunnels like thunder. Every shift feels mechanical and alive. Every downshift crackles with attitude, and somehow, even after more than 50 years, this Corvette still feels special, because the 1969 Stingray wasn't just fast, it had presence. That's what separates icons from ordinary cars. You can park modern supercars beside it, and people will still walk toward the Corvette first. Why? Because it has soul. You can see it in the design. You can hear it in the engine. You can feel it in every vibration through the steering wheel. This car represents freedom, rebellion, and pure American performance culture, and collectors know it. That's why pristine 1969 Corvette Stingrays continue climbing in value year after year, especially rare big block cars with factory specs and matching numbers. Some ultra-rare versions now sell for hundreds of thousands, even millions. But honestly, the real value isn't just the price tag. It's the feeling of seeing those curves under sunset lighting, the feeling of hearing that V8 roar to life, the feeling of driving a machine from an era when cars had personality. Today's vehicles are faster, they're smarter, they're more efficient, but very few feel legendary. The 1969 Corvette Stingray does, and that's why this car remains one of the most beloved American classics ever built. An engine rumbling softly, a machine frozen between past and future, not just a car, a symbol. A masterpiece of American muscle. The screen fades to black, and the final exhaust note echoes one last time. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, still untouchable.